Mastering Business Process Reengineering. Achieving operational excellence demands aligning organizational goals with business process reengineering initiatives. Where can we identify and align the organization's overall goals and objectives to achieve operational excellence through business process reengineering initiatives? The Art of Reengineering, a Journey to Operational Excellence. As I delved into the world of business process reengineering, I was struck by the nuances of aligning an organization's goals and objectives with operational excellence. It's a melody of strategy, people, and process, harmoniously synchronized to produce a symphony of efficiency and effectiveness. My journey began with a case study of a manufacturing company struggling to stay afloat amidst intensifying competition. Their inefficient processes were bleeding them dry, with production delays, inventory pileups, and plummeting customer satisfaction. The CEO, frustrated but determined, called upon me to re-engineer their operations. Upon arrival, I was struck by the contrasts. On one hand, the factory floor was a maze of chaos, with workers scrambling to meet quotas. On the other hand, the executive suite exuded an air of elegance, with polished wood and sleek architecture. It was as if the organization's very soul was torn between two opposing forces, the beauty of efficiency and the ugliness of inefficiency. To reconcile this dichotomy, I embarked on a quest to understand the company's context. I immersed myself in the world of production, speaking with workers, managers, and customers. I sensed the anxiety, the fatigue, and the desperation to improve. It was essential to appreciate the intricate web of processes, to understand the moral fabric of the organization. My analysis revealed a stark reality: fragmented processes, siloed departments, and a lack of clear objectives. The company's value chain was crippled by unnecessary steps, duplicated efforts, and a culture of blame shifting. It was akin to a beautiful work of art, vandalized by careless brushstrokes. To revive this masterpiece, I proposed a comprehensive re-engineering initiative. We began by mapping the company's overall goals and objectives, crystallizing its vision for operational excellence. This involved a series of workshops, where stakeholders from various departments collaborated to identify pain points, opportunities, and areas for improvement. The process was not without its challenges. There were resistance to change, fear of job losses, and skepticism about the feasibility of transformation. However, as we progressed, the organization began to coalesce around a shared vision. It was as if the art of reengineering had awakened a new sense of purpose, a collective commitment to creating something beautiful from the ashes of inefficiency. We streamlined processes, eliminating redundancies and automating tasks wherever possible. We introduced lean principles, empowering employees to take ownership of their work. We crafted a performance management system, measuring progress and celebrating successes. Throughout this journey, I felt an overwhelming sense of responsibility, a duty to respect the humanity of the organization's stakeholders. It was essential to approach this transformation with empathy, understanding, and a deep appreciation for the complexities involved. As the months passed, the results were nothing short of astonishing. Production times plummeted, inventory levels decreased, and customer satisfaction soared. The factory floor, once a tangled web of chaos, was now a symphony of efficiency, with workers proud of their accomplishments. The CEO, once frustrated and desperate, beamed with pride, his eyes shining with a renewed sense of purpose. The executive suite, once a symbol of elegance, was now a reflection of the organization's true beauty, its commitment to operational excellence. In the end, I realized that re-engineering is not simply about optimizing processes, it's about crafting a masterpiece of efficiency, effectiveness, and ethics. It's about respecting the intricate nuances of an organization's context and harmonizing its various components to create something truly beautiful. To achieve operational excellence through business process reengineering, BPR, initiatives, it is essential to identify and align the organization's overall goals and objectives. This can be accomplished through the following steps. Step 1. Establish a clear understanding of the organization's vision and mission. The organization's vision and mission statements serve as the foundation for identifying its overall goals and objectives. These statements outline the organization's purpose, values, and long-term direction. By reviewing and analyzing these statements, it is possible to distill the essential goals and objectives that drive the organization's operations. Step 2. Conduct a stakeholder analysis. Identify key stakeholders, including customers, employees, suppliers, shareholders, and partners. Analyze their expectations, needs, and pain points to determine how they impact the organization's overall goals and objectives. This helps to identify areas for improvement and opportunities for innovation. Step 3. Perform a SWOT analysis. Conduct a SWOT analysis to identify the organization's strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. This analysis provides a comprehensive understanding of the organization's internal and external environments, highlighting areas for improvement and opportunities for growth. Step 4. Identify key performance indicators, KPIs. Establish a set of KPIs that measure the organization's performance and progress toward achieving its goals and objectives. KPIs should be specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound, SMART, to ensure they are actionable and meaningful. Step 5. Develop a balanced scorecard. Create a balanced scorecard that categorizes KPIs into 4 perspectives: financial, customer, internal processes, and learning and growth. This comprehensive framework enables the organization to track its progress toward achieving its goals and objectives from multiple angles. Step 6. Map current processes. Map the organization's current processes to identify inefficiencies, bottlenecks, and areas for improvement. This involves documenting the steps involved in each process, identifying the responsible parties, and analyzing the flow of information and materials. Step 7. Identify BPR opportunities. Analyze the process maps to identify opportunities for BPR initiatives. This involves identifying areas where processes can be streamlined, simplified, or eliminated to improve efficiency, reduce costs, and enhance customer satisfaction. Step 8. Develop a BPR roadmap. Create a roadmap outlining the BPR initiatives to be undertaken, including the objectives, timelines, resources, and expected outcomes. This roadmap serves as a guide for implementing process changes and measuring their effectiveness. Step 9. Implement BPR initiatives. Implement the BPR initiatives outlined in the roadmap, ensuring that each initiative is aligned with the organization's overall goals and objectives. This may involve process redesign, technology integration, or organizational changes. Step 10. Monitor and evaluate progress. Establish a continuous monitoring and evaluation process to track the effectiveness of BPR initiatives. This involves regularly reviewing KPIs, conducting stakeholders' feedback, and assessing the overall impact of BPR initiatives on the organization's goals and objectives. Step 11. Refine and adjust. Refine and adjust BPR initiatives based on the results of monitoring and evaluation. This involves identifying areas for further improvement and making necessary changes to ensure that BPR initiatives remain aligned with the organization's overall goals and objectives. By following these steps, an organization can identify and align its overall goals and objectives with BPR initiatives, ensuring that operational excellence is achieved through a structured and systematic approach.